Unboxed in California after a $50 pickup at Tilly's, which is a surf-style clothing apparel shop. A great find. I bought 2 watches. One's a keeper, one's going to be a giveaway. Now, in California here, we had a blast. Amy and I had a ton of fun. Saw some sights, had some drinks, took in some views and some beach time. We even got Amy on her first scooter ride. Oh, that was something else, let me tell you. Unboxed in California, reviewed in Canada. We're going to get a bird's eye view and take a look at a great vintage digital design, the CASIO A100we. This one may need to get on your radar. It's a reissue of the original F100 from years ago. First resin case design by Casio. This is a rectangular design with a 32mm width, a 40mm lug to lug, 18mm lug, 9mm thickness. This thing's under the cuff, no problem. And only 52 grams for the full kit with the stainless steel case back and bracelet as well. Wow. We're in Venice. Just out for a morning stroll. What is it, around 7:13? Gonna grab Amy a tea, and then we're gonna see Venice Beach, the Santa Monica Pier, have a little fun. Ooh, big excitement tonight. We got Stanley Cup playoff action tonight. LA at Edmonton. Go Canada. Although I do love Drew Doughty there, the defenseman for LA. He's pretty special. I'm gonna try Starbucks coffee because we went through McDonald's there and Amy got a tea in the drive-thru, and they don't have milk for one. She likes milk with her tea, but then they give you the creamers and then they expect you to do that in the car. So they just give you hot water, and then you like, what kind of convenience is that? That's not the way it is in Canada. So you're supposed to drive away from the drive-thru and then stir up and mix your coffee on your own? Comment below. Unacceptable. I think she's only splash resistant, so that might be a little bit of a tough one to get by, but at 30 to 50 meter water resistance, I don't know. I wouldn't even test it with the waters. I just, maybe if you're washing dishes, even take it off. Who knows? At the end of the day, though, if you wreck it, just replace it. It features positive digital display with 12 24-hour time, day, date, using the green bottom button. We have an alarm, we have stopwatch with 1/10 of a second monitoring, alarm signal, and hourly chime, which you do have the option to disable if you don't want that going off every hour. Now, it's lightweight and functional. It's not for everyone, but some who maybe don't like inexpensive digital watches, they could get this for a gift for their kids or enthusiasts or a teenager, just to ensure that they get home from, they don't break their curfew. You know what I'm saying? If you lose it, get another. If it gets stolen, buy another one. Well, make the report anyway, but then just pick up another one at your leisure. Now, on the wrist, it feels nice, and the bracelet looks and feels good. With this package, it tapers down from 21 millimeters down to 14.5 millimeters at the clasp, and it has that adjustable closure, which is good for a wide range of wrists. On the wrist here, you see a lot of the images I'm going to provide you. My wrist is 7¼ inches, and she fits just fine. And of course, it does look a little bit small with those measurements, but you can make it work. I mean, it is a retro design after all. CASIO A100we. Let me know what you think about this beauty. It's going to be one of our Watch Trio giveaways when we get to 4,000 subs, and I'll put that video together real soon so we can get everybody on it. I know it's been brief, For this bird's eye view, it was a great trip to California. As you can see, I'm a Flyers fan, but I'm wearing and supporting one of the greatest defensemen I like out there, Drew Doughty. Let me know if this reissue is for you or in your wheelhouse. What's the good? What's the bad? Thanks for watching. Like it, subscribe it, smash it. I'm Ross. Thanks for all your support. Be well, be safe, take care of you and yours. See you on the next one. Got on the retro dunks and the A100. Haha.